Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at Catalina Crunch. They're cookies that they sell. They sell sandwich cookies. This is, in my mind, the best Oreo replacement available. They have a bunch of different flavors. They've got like a mint one. They've got this chocolate vanilla, which is the Oreo standard. They've got some peanut butter ones. They've got some kind of vanilla-y kind of things. They're just absolutely fantastic. The biggest problem with these is the standard I can eat the whole box problem, which you do not want to do, obviously, because it's a lot of calories. But the specs on these, 90 calories for 2 cookies, so 45 calories a cookie. You have 11 grams of total carbs with 3 grams of dietary fiber and 3 grams of allulose, which is one of my favorite sweeteners. That's kind of a newer one. So that's a 5 grams net for 2 cookies. So it's 2.5 grams per cookie. So it's real good in my mind. These are easily some of the best ones that you run into, that I've run into. The one downside is I pretty much have always had to get them shipped to me because a lot of places around town don't carry these yet. Hopefully they will soon, because a lot of places are starting to carry their cereals. I'm hopeful that they're going to start carrying these cookies. So if you're looking for an Oreo replacement, this is it. So yeah, definitely ought to check these out if you can. I do know that they sell, what I've ended up getting is like the sampler when I order them online. And these boxes will last me a while because, again, I'm trying to eat, maybe one at a time. But anyway, with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.